Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Waylens automotive security camera through Secure360. It's something that they've been working on for the last year or so. They had a Kickstarter project last year, and I got my camera a couple weeks ago. It's the first connected 360-degree dash camera that sees everything on and in and around your vehicle all the time, even when it's parked. So I'm going to do this unboxing. It comes in a nice package. There's the camera. Some accessories or instructions. And here we go. And here's the camera. So this will mount in the dash, and so you'll notice that this will go on the dash, and this camera then just comes up just above this base, and it will be able to see 360 degrees around your vehicle, whether you're parked and not able to see your car. Something happens, all of a sudden now you can tap in and see what's going on. So that's the camera. Let's see what else is in the box. A mounting, I think this is a mounting template so that you can place the mount just right. Very simple. The only other thing in the box was were the wiring. So you got a ground, a hot, and then another for the battery. Nicely marked. Ground, and then this is for I guess accessories. Not too bad. Very simple. And okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your, this is a template so that you can put this onto the windshield. And so what you'll do is take this, snap it in, get this aligned properly. I know it works, I just did it. Alright, so that'll go in like that. And so now this is your template for installing this on your windshield. So on the 6th gen Camaro, there's no fuse box inside the vehicle, so we've got to be a little bit creative. There's no through the firewall or around the door. I've seen some people do that and fish it through and lead up to the fuse box up front. So hopefully, I've been fiddling with this for a while, trying to make sure that I get this position just right. So this is what I've got. I'm going to take the template, put it up front, just to the left of this sensor here. I think that's what that is. And then there we go. So that's where I'm going to position the plate. Alright, let's try this. Alright, so I slid this off. Now I'm going to take the template out. And so that's what you've got there now. It's a nice base. And then what I'll do now is put this back in. Slide it out. Ta-da! There we go. And now this can be tightened up, maybe with a coin or something. Okay, I think I found a way in. So I'm going to route this around, and then once I get underneath, way up under here, if I reach in, I can reach around, and there's a grommet right there. And so what I'll do is I'm going to try to fish this around and get through there, and then go through the fender up through here. Here's the grommet from the side of the door, inside of the door. So I'm just going to make a small cut and not cut my finger. Just enough so I can pass the wire through, and I might, or the connection through. Not very big. There we go. So what I'll do is I'm going to fish this through and make those connections. Alright, I was able to pry off this side cover, and I fished through my wire, and there's the grommet. Now I'm just going to push that back in. Easy peasy. There we go. And so I'll fish that through the fender into the fuse box. Next thing I want to do is I want to try to fish this up and try to get in behind that that dash, so I can make a nice clean installation there. Alright, I couldn't get through to the front of the firewall from underneath, but I was able to fish the line through just along the edge using some molding tools, and just kind of guided it through the side. I'm going to put on the side cover, and it should look pretty nice. The only bit of exposed wire is right here, and so now I'll be able to fish this towards the front of the vehicle. Everything else looks pretty nice fit. Almost done. So I fished the wire through the side of the door, back in through the side of the fender, and I'm now ready to make some connections. The next thing I'm going to do is wire up the connections for power and accessories. So this one is the battery side. That's F29, and then I'll get F58 to do the accessory side. It would have been nice if Waylens would have included some kind of jumper for this, but they didn't, so I had to wrap the wire around the right fuse, and now I'm going to plug it in. Okay, so those are my connections. Fuse F29 here, and F58. We've got battery and accessory over here, and I've got ground set up over here. So that's the setup on the 2016 to 18 Camaro. The camera's installed, and when it's on, it's got an indicator light. I hope those bubbles in the tape go away. From the inside of the vehicle, you'll have a red indicator light showing that it's working.